old USA stamps. One glance, you can see the first side of the sheet. It's all first side of the sheet. I will show you the closer view. Okay, I have got very rare collections. Okay, I think I have to make two parts. In the first part, I will show the front side of the album, and in the second part, I will show the reverse side of the album. Okay, let's have a closer look of very rare stamps. Okay. Yeah, now you see 10 cents, 4 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents. I think I have seen in the catalog this has got very high value. I'll have to go and verify the Stanley Gibbons also. Yeah, see this also Abraham Lincoln. Seems to be very rare. American Bar Association. Okay, seems to be very rare. Okay, right. Some of them are also new, all mixed up. I have to segregate still. I have to keep on segregating. Right. Okay. Now you see in this row. In this row also you see very rare stamps. Okay. You can see very rare stamps in this row. Yeah, as well in this. These are 2 cent stamps. I think these are also very high value. I don't know whether it's in good condition or not. Even it is not in good condition, it has its own value. Yeah, one more 2 cents. Supposed to be very rare. Red color. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, these are also very rare stamps. All mixed up. I'll have to take out and segregate it based on the date of issue. And this. Now you can see these American flags. Okay, American flags. I think there are no perforation on the top and the bottom, but there are perforations on. Some of the stamp does not have a side perforation, vertical and horizontal. Now if you look at this, most of them does not have a horizontal markings, bottom markings, and some of these have the similar stamps have got all 4 side hinges, like what you call it as the pin marks, right? Yeah, here you see a row of stamps without this thing, right? Here also you can see 2 vertical lines does not have the perforations. Okay, perforation, but some of the similar stamp have got the perforation all around. I think this will also fetch me a good value. Yeah. Okay. Now coming back to the next row. Yeah. Now you can see some of the stamps. It's all American stamps. Some of them are recent issues, some of them are old, all mixed together. Okay, yeah, see this is a very nice collection. Okay, yeah. Okay, now see this Boston Party, one single issue, one single stamp, but 4 attached together, right? Okay, now I'll keep on showing some more stamps. Just look at it. Yeah, see this Liberty statues. I think these are also, some of them are older and rare stamps. I'm yet to find the prices for this. Right? Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So many. Everything US postage, US postage. Yeah. Now I'll go to a nice collection of bigger stamps of the United States, very nice ones. Okay, you can just see how these are there. Looks like the recent one. I don't know the value, but still, for a collection, it's a nice collection of stamps. I'll have to evaluate every stamp now. I'm trying to find out a good valuator for my stamps. If I get a genuine good valuator, okay, I'm prepared to valuate my stamps. Right, okay. Coming to the next page of the album, now you can see these rare collections also. Very rare collections. Yeah, very rare collections. Okay. Might be I have preserved some of the duplicate and many repetitive stamps, but still I can always exchange it or sell it later. Right? Okay. First Man on the Moon. Good stamps. Some Christmas issues also. I have a lot of Christmas issues of the stamps also. Series of Christmas issues. Okay. Right. All at a glance. There are too many. So these are all the repetitive stamps here. One row of the same stamps. Second row of the same stamps. Third row of the same stamps. Fourth row of the same stamp. But I am preserved every stamp which I collected, I am preserving. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you can see some more rare stamps here. Very old rare stamps. Abraham Lincoln. Okay. Statue of Liberty. Right. All nice stamps. Okay, yeah. You see, these are all United States stamps. Right. Okay. Now let's come to the next page of the album. Yeah. Nice thing. Okay. Yeah, again Man on the Moon, you saw there. One more repetition here. Okay. Yeah, Save Our Cities. Fantastic stamps. United States. 4 in 1 piece. Different stamps. Okay. Yeah. Right. I think this is also one of the rare stamps. I don't know. Let me find out the value of it later. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay, it's almost 10 minutes video. I think I'll have to cover the backside in the part 2 of American stumps. So I'll make one more video, part 2 of USA stamps, and upload it. This also you can see in the YouTube.